Should we go upstairs? Come on, let's go. All the way. All the way. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Can you sit? How about shake? Good girl. So, Brie and I are really excited about today. We had one of you guys reach out to us and offer for us to come out and go for a sail on Lake Tahoe. So, yeah, super excited for the day. And obviously this one is not going to be coming. She's going to Ed and Diane. But yeah, it's one of the things I think that's been really cool with the channel over the last, really, 6 to 9 months. I've been starting to meet a lot of you guys through you guys reaching out. And so yeah, if you're thinking about reaching out and you want to kind of hang out with Brie and I up here in Tahoe, feel free to do so. Right, Willow? Yeah? Are you a puppy? Okay. And the easiest way to reach us outside of a YouTube comment is my email, so tahoemountainlife@gmail.com. So the other interesting thing about today is that there is a lake wind advisory. So for small craft, it is not advised, but we are heading out on a 30-foot sailboat. So this should be actually perfect conditions to get out and actually do some sailing. Willow is also now coming down the stairs. She's been very brave. Come here, girl. You ready? Wow, good girl. Very good. And we have Lisa and Brad who have brought us out here and so skillfully been bringing us up and down the lake. So thank you guys for bringing us out here.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.